Another one.
Oh.
Okay, you want to see what else? Come here.
Hey, buddy.
Ethan, look at this.
Oh, thank you. Are you giving it to me? Oh, thank you. Oh, you want it open? What else is in there?
Can you pull it out? Reach in. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
What's that? Is it a car? Toy? Oh, but look what else. Another peanut butter Santa? Okay, you want to see what else is in here? Let's keep opening. Look. It's a cannon.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what can it be?
Oh, a Gumby.
Say hi, Mr. Gumby.
That's pretty fun. Okay, keep going.
Oh, what is that?
Oh my goodness, did you see?
What is that? What color is that? Red.
Alright, there's something else. Want to see what else is in here?
Mommy, I'm playing with the truck.
Ethan, you got one more thing.
Ethan, would you like to see what else you got in the stocking that Grandma and Grandpa sent you?
Look.
No.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Oh, ow. Ethan, look. It's kind of like goes with the little blue truck, but it's a little red truck.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
This looks like my grandfather's truck.
Oh, crayons.
Oh, Ethan, look at
Some
that.
crayons.
Look what Mommy has.
Colors. Yay.
Maybe we shouldn't open them yet, but there we go.
Can you color that? Yay. Thank you, Granny and Grandpa.
Hey, Ethan, can you look here and say thank you, Granny and Grandpa? Can you say thank you? It's very nice.
Color blue.
Yeah.
Color blue.